Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor's Company. Today's theme is going to be about starting our business from home using the internet fast and get to the money, to the bottom line, and start seeing sales into our bank account daily. How to build a system successfully, right? So knowledge is the new money, as we say here in Master Investors Community. If you're new, please subscribe to the podcast, leave a comment, and follow the instructions. Take massive action. It's interesting to see how one can take action after acquiring the correct knowledge and have success instantly, right? Because knowledge is the new money, literally. Once we have an idea backed up by confidence, we can create money from thin air, right? If you like to know how to do that and how to play with the rules of the ultra wealthy, which are available to everyone, right? Those are the laws in this country. Is built for the entrepreneur and investor to successfully receive incentives of all kinds, tax breaks, loans, money from the government, depending on what we are doing with our companies. So, can we start a business and make money fast online? The answer is yes. How can we do it? Well, very simple. You first need a company. Get a company established. Don't use your own name for the company, right? We don't recommend using our own name for any company. We want to separate us from that, right? But it does represent us on paper, the company. That's why it's important that you get established, because it will represent you doing business, and so that you're protected personally. And so once we have a company set up, then we want to find an opportunity online. And if you want to get to the money fast, we don't have a product, we don't have the time, and we don't have the capital, whatever, you don't know where to start in regards to creating a new product, which we will show you how simple it is to do so, whether it's a digital product, an information product, and whatnot. So, but if you want to get started right away and start collecting sales from home, so once we have a company set up, then there are many websites that we will reference you to. Log into our community and we will give you those references. But there are many companies that offer products already made and ready to be promoted for an exchange of a percentage for every sale and every time the customer makes a payment, right? And we don't have to even use our own videos. We can use the company's videos, and we can also choose a product from a catalog of different categories. In other words, if you like health, or if you're into diet, or if you're into exercising or anti-aging, whatever the product you may be passionate about and would like to promote it, right? And build a campaign behind it. And the beautiful thing about this strategy is that we literally do not even have to hold the product physically. We don't even have to worry about shipping or anything. We just worry about getting the right customer in front of that advertisement that we're going to show you how to do it and where to get these customers right from home. They're everywhere on Facebook. Now we can just, if we like health or we're promoting a health product, we go to the health groups of Facebook and put a link in there and say, hey, we'd like to recommend this product. Check it out. And maybe getting, in a conversation with the admin by responding to one of the posts that he does. And then at the end, you provide value, and then you embed the link. We're going to show you how to do all of that. Lead the people to the water so they can drink. Once they drink, you get it straight to your account. You get your percentage, right? And so, and if the customer is a membership, oftentimes these companies have memberships. So if it's a membership and if it's something that they pay in every month, as long as they have it and they came through your company's link, then your unique link, then it's going to be a customer forever to you. And we're also going to show you how to do the capture page in front of whatever affiliate program you're doing, how to create a unique one so that you can also collect the emails of those people, not just giving them to these companies that already have the products ready to be promoted. We want to also capture those emails ourselves so that we can go back and sell to them, because they're interested in buying stuff. So we can always go back and say, hey, we got a new product that we can sell back to them. And people are consumers in the world. There are more consumers than producers. That's why Master Investor was created, so that we can build more entrepreneurs and investors and bring the Master Investor out of each partner, because at the end of the day, we all have an entrepreneurial spirit. We all are artists, and we like to innovate, and I believe we like to solve problems, and we gotta get comfortable with that, because the more people we serve, the more wealthy we become. So get started right away. Then it's getting a domain from one of the providers, get a logo established, a company colors that represents the brand, build the brand. And we're going to show you that that's what is valuable at the end of the day, the value that we provide to the marketplace, but the brand that represents whatever we're promoting is important as well. And when we do affiliate marketing, we don't need to have our company in any way represent us, because we just promoting their products. But we're going to show you how to have a capture page in front of their company's landing page, so that we can capture the email before they go in to their sales funnel, and we lose that email opportunity to be captured. Because at the end of the day, it's all about building our email list, so we have our own network. Okay, and so that's how we can get started right away. You don't need a product. You just need to sit down and understand how to plug in a few things, right? Get a company started. That's what you need immediately. And if you do already have one, then get started with finding a product online. We're going to show you, get in contact with us, and go to our website to get one of our digital courses. Depends on what suits you. That course will be yours forever. And every year when we update it, you will have access to the new one. Okay, and yeah, if you have any questions, leave the questions below. We're glad to be here again on another podcast. Get started making money from home, building your passive income, because otherwise you'll be working for the rest of your life for money, and that is a nightmare. You don't want to be a slave to money. You want to break away from the rat race, come to the right side of the quadrant, become a business owner, and then master investor, which is an inside investor, someone that can read financial statements, knows the difference between asset liabilities, and can raise capital, use the bank's money, use credit cards to create income, pay the credit cards back with the income that is being created, and still receive passive income afterwards, which is infinite return on investment. That's the holy grail. That's where the freedom is. Once we get infinite return on investment, it's free money comes in, and we become wealthier and wealthier, and we're able to multiply that money. We make money work hard for us here at Master Investor. Glad to be here with another podcast. Take massive action. Remember, it's all about go ahead and listening to this. If you're this far on it, then take massive action. You needed to hear this, all right? So welcome to our community. Our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners, including you. Okay, if you're a free partner, this is valuable to you. Take massive action and become a paid partner as soon as possible. All right, talk to you on the next podcast. Bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Master Investor, we are the money, business, and investment brand of the world. Take care.